I look so tired right now. It's an accurate representation of how I feel. I'm actually meeting some people in the fragrance industry, which is quite exciting today. And a lot has happened in like the week that I haven't uploaded. Shit has gone down. The reason that I haven't uploaded for a week is because, listen to this. I was drinking a giant thing of water and editing a YouTube video, and me being the clumsy person that I am, can you see where this is going? Spilt the water all over my laptop, and it basically just died. Like immediately just died. And I was absolutely, I can't even explain how devastated I was. I've had that laptop for like 4 years and nothing ever has happened to it. I've looked after it pretty well. I mean, I'm not going to say I babied it, but I looked after it pretty well. And nothing like that had ever happened until the other day. And it completely just went, like it was just dead. I tried everything. I tried absolutely everything to revive this computer. I like did a hairdryer on it, did it in rice, did everything, and there was no looking back. The computer was dead, and I was so devastated because, guys, full disclosure right now, I'm not set up to buy a laptop right now. Like I'm not set up to buy a MacBook. Hell no. Like that's the last thing that I needed, and I was so devastated. So basically, my incredible family, my absolutely incredible family, my brother-in-law, I was telling my sister, and my brother-in-law found out, and he offered to buy me a new one. And I could not believe it. I still don't believe it. I have my laptop sitting over there, my new freaking 2018 MacBook, and I'm like, holy shit. Like, I will forever be grateful for that. And I'm really lucky that my family is so supportive of what I do on YouTube. It took me a while, I'm not gonna lie, it took me a while to convince a few of my family members about what it is and that it can actually eventually be, you know, like a job and stuff like that. It took me a while, but every one of my family members now is on board, is so supportive, is watching my YouTube channel and reading the comments and everything like that. So I'm very lucky that I have such an amazingly supportive family. Okay, should I start to like do stuff? Yes, I should. I do not want to be late for this. Let me put up my hair a bit, maybe. Honestly, I could not believe it, and I am so thankful. Obviously, I'm going to pay him back, but like, I'm just so grateful that he was able to do that for me, and yeah. Anyways, we'll move on from that. So yeah, I have a new MacBook, and I'm very excited, and it's amazing. I got like the newer model, and it's very cool, and all that sort of stuff. But anyways, so today, like I said, look, oh my god, my hair is so terrible. I want to talk to you guys about something that I've been going through a lot at the moment, and it's been a bit of a struggle for me, more so than usual. Okay, so you guys know, if you've watched my channel and my journey, and you know all of the shit that I have, you know, endured within my own. Why am I saying this so complicated? You guys know I've had anorexia, depression, anxiety, blah, blah, blah. And for the most part, I am completely 100% better. I'm physically healthy, I'm mentally healthy, all of that amazing stuff. Like, I'm extremely grateful to be here where I am today. Like, I'm very lucky and I'm very happy. But the only thing that I seem to really struggle with still is social anxiety. And anxiety in general, but more specifically social anxiety. Now, I've never been the person that has like 50 billion friends and all that sort of stuff. Like, I don't know if any of you guys can relate to that, but I just feel I get really anxious in like social situations and like social events and meeting new people. I get so anxious, like extremely anxious, and it's a problem. And I didn't used to be like that. Like, I used to be okay with that sort of thing. But I think as I've gotten older and my friends have gotten smaller, like I literally, guys, like I have like a few close friends, like 2 or 3, and then that's it. Like, they're the only people that I see. And that, like, I'm gonna be totally honest here, like, I'm not a super social person. I'm very introverted. I'm very shy. I'm very, like, I'm getting so anxious about today. I'm getting so anxious about things that are coming up for me, and it's been a bit of a struggle, and it's been a struggle. I also want to say that being socially anxious, at least in my experience, doesn't mean I'm not confident. It doesn't mean that I'm not confident in who I am or in what I look like or anything like that. For me personally, that has nothing to do with my social anxiousness. It comes from a place, and I was trying to figure it out. And I think I've kind of got down to why I feel that way around like new people and big crowds and stuff like that. And I think it's because I am worried that I'm not going to come across as my most authentic self. I feel like I will come across as, like, I will act a different way that people won't interpret who I am as a person correctly, which I know sounds, sounds so bizarre, and it may sound totally wacky to some people, but I'm worried that people won't understand like who I am as a person, and that worries me because I'm not saying I'm like the best person or anything like that, but I am a nice person and I want people to see that. And I think when I get nervous, I start acting differently. I start withdrawing into myself. If I'm uncomfortable, I'll start to like withdraw and become like, I'll probably act a bit strange or a bit weird, and I'm so nervous that people will see that and they'll start to think that I'm like a weirdo. Why am I like this? Like, why am I like so deep on my channel? Anyways, so that was like a little thought. I've just been really like dealing with it a lot at the moment, like social anxiety, meeting new people. Like I need to put myself out there a lot more. I didn't used to struggle with it as bad. When I had my eating disorder, I did struggle with it then, but it's really bad at the moment, and I don't know why. Like, I don't have depression, I don't have an eating disorder, but I just have that anxiety and that social anxiety. It's there, like, it's there really bad. I'm back. Okay, so obviously I've gone ahead, I've done my foundation, concealer, powder, brows, a lot's happened. So I'm gonna go ahead, just kind of go through the rest, but I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit more. So where did we leave? Oh yes, about my anxiety. So I don't know, it's very, it's been the worst like social anxiety that I've experienced for a very long time, which is so strange because it's like really weird. I cannot win with my mental sort of space, if you know what I'm saying. Like, I feel really good, like really, really, really good physically right now. Like, I feel amazing physically. I run every night. I'm also doing Pilates at the moment. I'm not going to a Pilates class. I'm not doing anything like that. I'm just doing it at home. I actually, if you guys are interested in health and stuff, I'm actually going to leave 2 people that I follow down below. I'll link them for you guys, their channels. I've been doing a lot of exercises that they kind of do on their channel. And oh my god, I've seen such a difference. Like, I've got a lot more definition right now. I just feel so good, which is so funny because I feel so good physically, mentally, not so much right now. So it's a bit like, I need to find that little bit of balance. So it's like one of those things, like, I know what I have to do. It's just, I just have to put myself out there more. And I know that it will change. Like, I'll change, I'll feel different if I do that. But it's hard to do that. For me, it's hard to put myself out there and stuff because it's hard. Oh my dear god, we reached 20,000. Like, we're actually more than that. We are, like, the last time I looked at it was like a few hours ago. It's like 20,150 or something. Like, I cannot believe it. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I don't know why you follow me. So obviously I've kind of gone ahead with the rest of my makeup, but for the lips, I think I'm going to use MAC Boldly Bare because I've been using, it's just a lip liner. I've been obsessed with just using this on the lips. I also want to tell you guys, new TV series alert. If you have not seen these 2 shows, you have to watch them. Like, please take my advice and watch these shows. First one is The Handmaid's Tale. It's a very messed up show. Like, it's kind of very twisted. It's very twisted. It's really bad, but just have a look at it, read some reviews, have a little look and see. It's amazing. It really, really is. It has you like, gives you all the feels. It gives you all the feels that a good TV show gives you. And then the other one is Animal Kingdom on Netflix. So good, like so good. Loving that one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I think, wait. Yes, and apply that. Sorry if I wasn't super chatty in this video. I think I touched on the fact that I was very anxious today, so that's kind of a little bit why I just want to be ready and prepared and stuff like that. I don't know why I get like this. I feel like I'm just not a super extroverted social person. I'm very introverted, and I think that has a lot to do with why I feel intimidated by big social situations. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my lips. I'm so not a morning person. Anyways, that is it, you guys. I'm sorry, like I said, if I wasn't super chatty in this video, but I'm kind of just like, I'm feeling a little bit like, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I need to go get ready, get dressed and all that sort of stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram. It is at demi.rawling, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.